Good morning, student. In our grammar, let's we start our revision here. Our first question is underline underline the verbs from the following sentences. So, what is verb? We noted verbs are action verb. Without verb, we cannot make any sentence. Verb help us to make a sentence, and whatever we do the work in our day by day, that is we do the work by the help of verb. So verb means doing verb or action verb here. And we know that verbs, the position of verb is second here. The subject sentence beginning with subject and the second position is verb here. So in our first sentence we can say that the match is subject here, but will start become verb here. So with the helping verb we have to use here verb. So will start became here verb here. Then second example, the children became subject here and are playing become verbs here in the garden here. The third example is given here. Tom becomes subject here and painted become the second position. Tom is subject and painted become verb here. Then fourth example is given here. Jay was playing cricket here. Jay was playing cricket. So Jay becomes subject and was playing become verb here. Then the sun is subject here and rises. The sun rises in the east. So rises become verb here. So we can easily identification here verb because the verb is second position. The sentence beginning with noun or pronoun. It means subject here. So six example. I is a pronoun and then shall work become verb here. So shall work became verb here. Then Rahul is subject and is reading become verb here. Then here eight example. Here also pronoun. The sentence beginning with pronoun. It means subject here. Subject comes either noun or pronoun here. So I subject and second position saw become verb here. Then nine example. Chris becomes subject and was going become verb here. So we can easily identify the verb here in our sentence here. With in 10 example, with becomes subject and eats an apple every day. So here eats become verb here. Then here second question is here. Circle on pronoun of the following sentences here. So what is pronoun? Pronoun is used instead of noun. Pronoun is used instead of noun here. So which are the pronoun we are using? Like I, we, you, they, he, she, it. So here first example, I am a teacher. So here I become pronoun here. Then second example, we are going to the picnic here. So we become pronoun here. Then third example, you are kind and helpful. So here you become pronoun here. Then they are winners in the election here. So fourth example, they are also pronoun here. Then fifth example, he is my best friend. So here he becomes pronoun here. Then sixth example, she is cute girl. So here she become pronoun here. Then seven example, it is a faithful dog. So it also become here pronoun. Then don't disturb me. I change into me in an objective case here. I become me in an objective case here. So after verb we put the pronoun. After verb it comes the object case here. So me also become pronoun here. Then her. She is changed into her in objective case here. So here her mother is a teacher. So here her become pronoun here. Then 10 example, his father is a doctor here. So he's also become pronoun here. So pronoun is used instead of noun and pronoun is help to repetition of noun. We can use here pronoun instead of noun to avoid the repetition in our sentence here. So once again, I, we, you, they, he, she, it, her, him or me are pronoun here. Then here third example here, it means our third question, give plural of the following noun. But what is plural here? See, we have two kinds of noun. Like for singular, we are talking about one singular name only. It means singular means only one, and plural means more than one here. So we have to change here noun, that is singular is given, and we have to change into plural. Like mouse is a singular, then mice is a plural here. So mouse change into mice in plural. Leaf is a singular noun and leaves become plural here. So we can change here singular into plural here. Like story is singular and y. Here y change into ies. It means story change into stories. We have to remove I, and instead of I we have to write ies after story. Then box, if the last word is x, so we have to added es in a noun. So here box change into boxes, we have to added es here. Then pen, pen is a simple noun here, so we can easily add s after pen. So pens is a plural noun here. If the noun is changed in o, so we have to added es to make the plural here. So mango change into mangoes, we have to added es in a plural to make the plural noun here. Then if the sentence, it means sorry, the noun is end with s, x, o, double s, ch, sh, so we have to added es after singular noun, so it easily become plural here. So glass change into glasses, it means we have to added es after glass. Then eighth example, table is just simple here. Simple noun is given here. So if the noun is end with e, so we have to add only simple s after e. It means table change into tables, so we have to use here s here. Then brush, the last two words, it means sh, ch, x, s, double s is there, so we have to simple add es after singular noun brush. So brush change into brushes here. Then child, it is irregular changing here from singular to plural. Child is there, so we have to added ren. It means children, child change into children, we have to added ren. Then ox is also here, ox is there, then we have to added en to make the plural oxen here. Then knife, if the last word is changed here, if we have to change in singular, f or fe is there, so we have to change into f or fe change into ves. So our answer become here knives here. It means we have to remove fe and we have to change into ves. Fe is changed into ves, so here become knives here. So we can easily say here. Then simple noun is there, we have to edit s, then we can make singular into plural. And the last word is there, our second rules is there. If the last word is x, o, double s, ch, sh is there, so we have to edit es after singular noun. Then the last word is y, if the last letter is y in our singular noun, so we have to remove I, and instead of I we have to edit ies to make the plural here. Then fourth rules is there, f or fe is there, so we have to remove the f or fe. Instead of f or fe we have to edit ves to make the plural here. Then some irregular rules are also given here, like ox is changed into oxen, child is changed into children, mouse change into mice are some rules regulation here. So we can easily change here from singular noun to plural noun here. Thank you.